Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to display and add product reviews on a Shopify website. Before going ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Coded, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. It is important for any e-commerce website to have product reviews on its website. Shopify, by default, doesn't have this product reviews functionality. Hence, we will need to integrate it using a third-party app. So now let's see how we can do that. We will need to go to apps and then click on recommended apps. Then we need to scroll down over here. Then we need to click on this link over here, Shopify App Store. So guys, this is the Shopify App Store web page. Similar like how Android has its Google Play Store, how Apple has its App Store, similar Shopify has its App Store. So over here all the apps which are created by Shopify and other third-party developers are displayed over here. You can search any app using the keyword over here. So now let me search for the keyword called reviews. So now let's make use of this app called Judge Me Product Reviews. We need to click on this. So guys, if you see, it has a free plan available also. Just scroll down and let's see the pricing of it. So under free plan, we are getting unlimited product reviews request. We also have the photos and the videos option. So the users can submit the photos and videos of the products that they have received. We also have review carousel themes. Then we have in-email reviews, curate reviews, SEO snippets, manual social push. So now let's install this app. In order to install this app on our store, we need to click on Add App. Now it will display a page wherein you need to confirm to install this app on your Shopify store. Click on Install App. So guys, if you see now the app has been successfully installed. You can see the name of the app also over here. Judge Me Product Reviews. Let me go back over here again on the home page. Now click on apps. Over here also you can see the app name. Judge Me Product Reviews. Let's click on it. So first it is giving us a welcome message over here. It has said collect reviews from your customers and get ready to start displaying them on reviews widget. Let's start. So if you already have some reviews, then you can click on import. Otherwise, you can click on I don't have reviews yet. Then, if you already have orders from customers in your Shopify store, we can help you collect reviews for them. I don't have any orders or collect reviews from past orders. So since I don't have any orders, I'll click on I don't have any orders button. Now click on get started. The first thing that we will need to do is to display the product reviews widget on the product page. For that, we need to click on add widget. Now you have the installation option over here. Whether the widget will be installed by Judge Me or the installation will be done by you. So that will be a manual process. So that in this option, you are going to manually insert the code inside the theme. Or you can tell the judge me, like it will automatically install it. So this is the recommended option. By default, this option is selected. Now click on start installation. Then you get the options which says review widget on product page, preview badge on product page, preview badge on collection page. So you are going to get all these star ratings and on all these pages, like on product page and on collection page. So all these options are ticked by default. Now click on next. So what this page says, which theme you would like to install the widget on. So basically, they are asking us on which theme we need to install the reviews app. So my current live theme. So I want to install on a live theme. Click on install Judge Me now. So you can see that the widget is currently getting installed on a live theme. So there we go. The widget has been successfully installed. Now we need to click on this option over here. Check the widget on your store directly. So here we go guys. Now if you see, the product page shows the star rating and shows no reviews. This is because we don't have any reviews for this product yet. Also below over here we can see the customer reviews option. Like customer can write the review, also shows the star rating. If I click on it, then it shows the option to enter the title, select the star rating. If you see, if I just hover on it, it shows me 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. So whatever option I select, so that particular star rating will be considered. Then the customer can write his comments over here under review. We also have the option to upload picture or video, just like Amazon does. Then a public name and a email address. Then the customer need to click on submit review. Now let's go back. So since the widget looks proper, we need to click on yes, looks great. So guys, we have successfully set up the reviews widget on our website. Now over here we need to click on manage reviews. So whatever reviews are posted by the customers on the website, all those reviews will be shown over here. You can manage those reviews, like you can approve or disapprove the review. Now let me give a review for a particular product. So friends, I have opened this product and now let me give a review. So I'll click on write a review. Now let me give a title for it. Nice t-shirt. And my comments. If you have a picture or video, then you can upload the same. I've uploaded the photo of the t-shirt. Now let me enter my name. So guys, I've entered my name and now let me enter my email address. So after entering the email address, click on submit review. So guys, we have successfully posted our first review. And now, if you see over here, we have got a message. Review submitted. Thank you. Please refresh the page in a few moments to see your review. You can remove or edit your review by logging into Judge Me. So now let's refresh this page. It shows a button to refresh the page. The review will be not visible on the website since the review has not been published by the admin inside the Shopify portal. So guys, if you see over here under reviews, we have the review that has been posted by the user. And then we have the two buttons over here, publish and hide. By clicking on publish, the review will be visible on the website. If we click on hide, then the review will be hidden from the website. So let's click on publish. Now the review will be visible on the product page. So let's go to the product page and see whether the review is coming or not. So there we go guys. We can see the star ratings over here on top. So we had given 5 stars. So 5 stars are coming. It shows one review. Then it shows the total ratings option over here. How many people have given 5 star, how many people have given 4 stars and all. The only one who has given 5 star, I can see the count as 1. Then it shows the average rating over here. And then just below it, we can see the review posted by the customer. So if I select 4 stars, then it will take 4 stars. Similarly, if the customer wants 3 stars, then he can give 3 stars. So guys, in this video, you have learned how to display and add reviews on your Shopify website. I hope this video was helpful to you. To get more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share this video. Also guys, please press the bell icon to get all the notification of my videos. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.